Want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Today I'm breaking down the best stock market strategies for beginners so you can start building wealth today. So let's go. This video is a part of a 15 to 20 video series. I'm doing it for stock market for beginners. So please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss an investing tip. I will talk about 3 investing strategies for the beginners. The first one is the long-term investing strategy. This is Warren Buffett's favorite strategy. I recently made a video on Warren Buffett's strategy, so you can go and have a look at that. Instead of chasing quick profits, the idea is to buy high quality stocks and hold them for a very, very long time. So basically, invest in strong companies with solid financials. Use index funds or ETF or the exchange traded funds for diversification, and stay invested even during market dips. I make several videos on this particular topic, so if you want to get some ideas and some strategies, you should subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss those opportunities. The next strategy is called dollar cost averaging. It's a perfect strategy for the beginners. Instead of putting all the money all at once, invest a fixed amount of money regularly, no matter what the market is doing. This helps reduce the risk and take advantage of the market dips. So basically, if you're starting out and if you want to contribute say $50 or $100 per month, this is a great opportunity. Invest weekly or monthly in stocks or ETFs. Avoid the stress of market timing, whether it's going up or going down. You don't worry about that. You just make the payment and buy the same stock over and over again. And you'll be surprised to see that you are building wealth steadily over time. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so because I make several videos on this particular topic. The third strategy for beginners is the dividend investing. Basically, you are getting paid to hold stocks. Say, for example, you want passive income while investing. This is a good strategy. Also, if you are building wealth over a long period of time, this is also a great strategy if you have the dividend growth stocks on your portfolio. Dividend stocks pay you just for holding them. Reinvest those dividends, and over time you'll be surprised, you'll build a massive wealth by compounding returns. So basically, in summary, you're looking for blue chip dividend stocks, reinvest dividends for faster growth, and it's great for long-term wealth and retirement. You should subscribe to my channel because I made several videos on this particular topic. So which strategy are you most excited to try? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an investing tip. So there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy investing.